Well, guys, welcome back. Spire's Mo Power Garage. Me and Cuddy still hard at it. And we decided just to go ahead and jerk the Walbro out of the 36 because we know for a fact it is genuine Walbro. Made in USA, GSS 340, baby. That's for sure 255. And if you look at the pickup on this thing, it is bigger than my thumb. And if you go over here and look at the pickup on the old one we took off, even though, yeah, not real convinced that's a 255 with that little inlet. So I'm thinking that's just a factory job, and I wanted to go ahead and make damn sure we got 255 on this baby. We got it all wired up. We're going to solder it up. We're going to pull these little shrink heat tabs over it. We're going to shrink them down. We're going to pop him back in the fuel tank. Trying to figure out how I'm going to shrink wrap this next to this fuel tank. I'm about to solder, but that's a little different than open flame from a heat gun. Look at how that thing's swollen up there. Came out of its little groove, and now it seems to be 10 times bigger than its little groove. Look at that. Very, very strange. Well, I guess that's what they mean by stuff gets gasoline on it and they swell all up. It's definitely swollen. Like there's no way you can make that fit again without like cutting a bunch out of it. I don't know if I can find anything that'll fit in there. If I got any size ones that'll fit or not. But I'm going to sure try. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and throw the Walbro on. I want to take this thing for a little drive before it gets dark. See how it's running. And I can't give it no beans unless I give it some juice. So, give it beans, you got to give it juice. So, let's give it some juice. We'll see what happens from there.